Do you often find yourself feeling drained, disheartened, or stuck in a web of negativity? Your circle of friends could be the reason why. While most friendships are sources of joy and support, there exists one type of person whose presence can be a silent saboteur, hindering your personal growth and leaving you persistently disappointed. In today's video, we will delve into the intricate nature of these toxic friendships and unveil the single kind of person you should never allow into your life. By recognizing the subtle signs exhibited by this personality type, you can effectively safeguard your emotional well-being and pave the way for more fulfilling relationships. You're excited to share your latest triumph with your friend, eager for their support and joy. But their response takes a dark turn. Instead of celebrating with you, they begin to subtly belittle your achievement, planting seeds of doubt and making snide remarks. Have you ever found yourself entangled in a web of deceit and psychological manipulation, orchestrated by someone you trusted? They employ tactics such as gaslighting, where they subtly distort reality, causing you to question your own sanity. But as you recount the highs and lows of your day, something unsettling occurs. This friend isn't just having a bad day. This is their perpetual state of being. By understanding their tactics and motivations, you can fortify yourself against their harmful influence. Remember, your journey towards healthier relationships begins with self-awareness and a commitment to protecting your energy. Don't wait. Start today. Let this knowledge be the first step in creating a life filled with positivity, authenticity, and genuine connections. They seem to find solace in negativity, deriving pleasure from dwelling on what could go wrong. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one. This tendency isn't limited to small matters. It seeps into every facet of your conversations. Their negativity becomes a dark cloud hanging over your interactions, sapping your own positivity and leaving you feeling demoralized. Recognizing the detrimental effects of chronic negativity is essential for preserving your emotional well-being. By understanding the harmful impact of such an energy on your mental health and personal growth, you can establish boundaries and protect yourself from its draining influence. Remember, your emotional landscape deserves vibrancy and positivity. Don't let negativity take root and flourish within it. No matter how positively you phrase it, they manage to twist every situation into a negative light, highlighting the worst aspects and amplifying any setback, no matter how small. Or they may use guilt-tripping to control your actions and decision-making. Recognizing the signs of a master manipulator is the first step towards breaking free from their clutches. By educating yourself about their manipulative tactics and understanding the warning signals, you can shield yourself against their harmful influence and reclaim your emotional autonomy. Remember, you have the power to untangle yourself from their web of lies and forge a path towards genuine emotional freedom. Enter the master manipulator, personality type whose charm and cunning can easily deceive even the most discerning individuals. With a silver tongue and a heart of deceit, these manipulators weave a tangled web of lies, deception, and coercion, leaving their victims feeling confused and emotionally drained. Before you know it, your confidence is shaken, and the joy of your accomplishment fades into a murky haze of uncertainty. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our life-changing content. No one. The energy vampire. Picture this. You enter a room filled with vibrant energy. This unsettling behavior isn't just a one-off occurrence. It's a pattern you've noticed with this particular friend. They seem to thrive on your vulnerabilities, deriving satisfaction from your struggles rather than sharing in your successes. This, my friends, is the chilling reality of an energy vampire. These individuals are adept at draining the life force right out of you. Their tactics are as subtle as a whisper, yet as corrosive as acid. They sow seeds of insecurity, plant doubts in your mind, and feed off your emotional energy, leaving you persistently depleted. Recognizing the signs of an energy vampire is crucial for safeguarding your emotional well-being. By becoming aware of their manipulative tactics and understanding their motivations, you can establish firm boundaries and protect yourself from their harmful influence. Remember, you deserve to bask in your achievements without the shadows of doubt and discouragement looming over you. No. 2. The master manipulator. Master manipulators are experts at exploiting your vulnerabilities and twisting your emotions to their advantage. Number 3. the chronic negativity. Imagine sitting down to dinner after a long day, eager to unwind and share the day's events with your friend. Before you realize it, your spirits sink, mirroring their pessimistic outlook. Friends, recognizing these three types of people, the energy vampire, the master manipulator, and the chronically negative, is a pivotal step in safeguarding your emotional well-being. You found this video insightful? Don't hesitate to share for more such empowering content.